Okay, guys, you can hear me. No, you should not text. You should not. You should unmute and answer. What I'm asking, you should unmute and answer. Then only I know you're active in call or not. Guys, unmute and answer me.
Yeah, ma'am. We understood. It's clear.
Oh,
Yeah. Yes.
okay.
Okay, every
You're
people should
going.
answer the questions from that Satya. Okay, do not be quiet. Everyone should be answer that what she is asking to you, and clear your doubts is everything in that project and continue with Satya. She will guide you all. Okay.
Guys, unmute and answer. Then only I'm going to start a section.
You
Hello,
start
ma'am.
Satya. No problem. You start. You start Satya. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Where I get work, ma'am?
In work, is there
Yes, ma'am.
you in work you get doubt? You can ask me. Others you can ask your. Okay. Guys, we are going to work in on patients US healthcare. Okay, in US this is a domestic process. Okay, this is not an international process. This is a domestic process. In US, one person have claimed the insurance. Okay, that will come in a bill format. We will be storing it in a system. Okay, one person will claim it insurance in US, that will be come in a bill format. We will be storing it as systematic. That's our work. Okay, our left side is a bill, right side is a questions. There are two types of keys. Can you see reject and accept? For accept you should give enter. For reject you should give control plus shift plus enter. Make a note. Okay, make a note. Today one day is only a training. Tomorrow you'll be going to work by yourself. So make a note, others. Everyone make a note. For accept, shortcut key is enter. For reject, your shortcut key is control plus shift plus enter. Okay. For accept, you will be giving enter, and for reject, you should give control plus shift plus enter. Okay. You can see there are two types of colors in a question. There is a white and gray. Can you see that there is a white and gray color?
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Eh, you should work only white questions. For gray, you should not work. For both, there are two types of forms. Note it. There are two types of forms. First form is a health insurance claim form. Second form is a UB form. First form is a health insurance claim form. It's known as HIPAA form. And second form is UB form, known as Uniform Billing Form. How we can differentiate these both the forms means health insurance claim form has 33 fields and UB form has 81 fields. Health insurance claim form has 33 fields and UB form contains 81 fields. Okay. Understand? Is there any doubt in this?
Ma'am, once again, can you please explain inform billing and another one is health
You
insurance, right?
health insurance claim form.
Client form.
Health,
Okay.
health insurance claim form and uniform billing. There are two types of forms. First one is health insurance claim form and second one is uniform billing form. How we can differentiate these two forms. How we can identify these two forms means health insurance claim form contains 33 fields and UB form contains 81 fields. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, there are two types of questions. Okay, two types of colors in a question. One is gray and one. Some questions are in white. Some questions are in gray. Okay, we should answer only white color questions. We should not work for gray color questions. Okay. First one, 1A insured ID. See, some of these questions are in gray color has blank, blank, blank. Some of these questions does not have anything. Straight to the question, there won't be anything. Okay. In some questions, you can see there is a blank, there is a blank, there is a blank. If straight to this question, nothing is given, it's called as autofilled. It's called as autofilled. Okay. This question answer is filled here. We should check whether it's right or wrong. Okay, if nothing is given straight to this question is called as autofilled. Okay, if it's given blank, you should check whether this question is answer is blank or here also blank. Okay, if straight to this question nothing is given, it's known as autofill. It's known as autofill. I have showing you in this a screenshot form. End of the training I will be working in live. Okay, this is a screenshot. I will be telling and giving you in a screenshot only. So second question answer only filled here, first one not filled. Okay, 1A insured ID, this is auto filled. You have to check here what is the number given, 02421750. You have to check whether here also given or not that number. If the exact number is given, you have to move to next question. If number is different, you should keep here and click, and you have to give backspace and you have to type the exact number. This is only the correct number. You have to type correct. If both numbers are correct, you can move to next question. Okay. Next question, 4 insured full name. It is auto-filled or blank? Anyone can say me it is auto-filled or blank?
Yeah, it is autofilled.
Yes, it's auto-filled. What is the answer? Cardenas, Martha. Fourth one, insured name. Cardenas, Martha. For name, there should be exact what it is given in the bill. Cardenas, space Martha means you should also have to give Cardenas, space Martha. Okay. How to check that this is only caps. There is no small letter. Every letters should be in a caps, and then space comma for name. You should give everything exact given in the bill. Space, hyphen, dot, colon, any special characters have to be mentioned. Okay.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay. Is there any doubt in this?
Ma'am, after we autofill, we have to accept, right?
Yes, we have to give enter. If you are wait, if insert full name, is there any spelling mistake in this means you have to click here and you have to give backspace and type a correct answer and you should give enter. Okay, compulsory you should give enter. Then only the update will be updated, or else it will be as it is wrong only. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Is there any questions to work? Next, is there any after this two question? Is there any? Can you tell me, is there any questions to work in this
No,
form? No.
No.
We have to move to next form. For next form, for moving to next form, we should give Alt plus enter. Alt plus enter. And you should give one more enter to move to next form. Alt plus enter and one enter. And the next form will be shown, and we will be moved to next form. Can you tell me which questions you will be working and which is autofilled and which is blank? Can
Yeah,
anyone tell me in this
now
form
it
which
is
is?
now it is a blank.
No, I can't get you.
Now it is a blank.
No,
Hello.
I'm asking how many questions are there you will be working in this form?
2 questions.
No.
Actually, 9 A, B, C, D.
4 questions.
4 questions, yes, correct. 4 questions. Which is autofilled and which are blank? How many questions are autofilled and how many questions are blank?
2 autofill and 2 blank.
Yes, two autofilled and two blank. Yes, correct. This is a concept, so that only I'm asking you questions. Okay, if you're okay with concept, there is no, it's very easy to work. So only I'm asking. Okay, first one is autofilled or blank.
Autofill.
Yes, autofilled. You have to check. 9 others full name. 9 insert full name. You have to check. 9 others full name. Baldred space, Pauline space. Yes, this is correct. Okay. We can move to next question. 9 other insert policy group number. 7863. Yes, if it's given correct, you should move to next question. 9B date of birth. It's blank. Here also you have to check. Here also it's a blank. 9D plan name. It's blank here. But you see here, 9D plan name is Medicare. Then what will be doing? Anyone can guess? 9D answer. 9D plan name is Medicare, but here is a blank. What will be doing? In form there is an answer, but in question there is no. That is they are giving that's a blank.
We will type the same.
No, I can't get.
Type the
We
answer.
will type.
We have to type the answer. You're telling that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's correct. You have to type Medicare and you have to click enter. Okay? Without fail, you should give enter. Then only it will be updated. Okay? Okay. Now we have to move to next form. You, 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 you all guys are clear with this concept. We'll be working only in white color questions. Straight to white color question, there is nothing given means it's auto-filled. If you update anything means you have to give enter. If you have to move to next form means you have to give alt enter plus enter. You're clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We can see in this form itself in which places what you're going to give and what are the modifications you're going to do. Okay. First question, they will be asking 8 questions. Medicare, Tricare, Camper, Group Health Plan, FECA, others. Everything will be blank and others will be auto-filled, okay? And then one insured ID number. You have to give the exact number what is in the bill. 2 patient's name. Patient's name is Cardenas, space Martha means you should give exact Cardenas, space Martha. For patient date of birth, there is a 05.26.1948. But you should type as a 8-digit number. You should not give any space, colon, comma, hyphen, dot. Okay. For name, you should not for date of birth, you should type as a 8-digit number. You should not give hyphen, comma, colon, anything. Okay. Understood?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. And then 4, again, there will be some repeated questions. I will be telling that also. For name, you have to give exact what is bill. In patient address also, what is in the bill, you should give. If they ask city, what is given, and space Antonio means you have to give. For state, there is a 2-digit characters. TX means you have to TX, AP means you have to give AP. What is given in the state, you have to give. Okay, note this. If they ask zip code, there will be a 9-digit number. Okay, if in this form they have given hyphen, in some forms they won't be given hyphen, there will be a 9-digit number. Okay, if in that case, if they ask zip code, first 5 digit is a zip code and last 4 digit is a zip extension. Okay, first 5 digit is a zip code and last 4 digit is a zip extension. If they ask one, if they give only 4 digit and they ask zip code, means you should not type that 4 digit. Okay, you should leave it as a blank. If they ask, if they given 5 digit and they give and they ask zip extension, means you should not write only 4 digit. You should leave as a blank. If there is 5 digit, you should write in zip code. If there is a 4 digit, you should give in a zip extension. Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. We understand.
Okay. And then telephone number. In brackets, they will be giving 3 numbers and outside that there will be a 7 numbers. You should type as a 10-digit number. You should not give this hyphen, colon, brackets, comma, any special. For date of birth and telephone, you should be typing. You should type as a 8-digit as a date of birth and 10-digit as a phone number. You should not give colon, comma, anything. Okay. Take this 3-digit outside and this 7-digit and you should type as a 10-digit. Okay. For reserved for you see this, if anything is given, you should type or else you have to leave blank. 9 we have seen. 10, employment, yes or no, which where X is given, you can see it's auto-filled or blank. State, it's blank. Okay. 11th one, insured group policy number, what is given in the bill, you should give. Date, you know how to give a date. Other claim ID, what is given, you can type or else you don't want to. If there is blank, you can leave as a blank. See, insured plan name, it's given, you should check whether the spelling is correct or everything is given right or not. And then yes or no, you should type. Okay. Patient signature means they have given signature on file. You have to check whether the signature on file is typed or not. Date 07/18/2023. You should type as a 8-digit number. 13 insured. Signed means signature on file. And then 17th, they will be asking QUAL. If they ask QUAL means that's a qualifier. Qualifier is a 2-digit characters. Okay. Qualifier is a 2-digit characters. Qualifier is a 2-digit characters. If they ask qualifier in 17, you should type. You should check down to 17. There is a 2-digit character DN. Here only they will be giving a 17th qualifier. Okay. This DN is a qualifier. Referring physician name. Referring physician name is a Timothy Birth. They are 17A qualifier means near to 17A small box there will be. That is called qualifier. Okay. 17A is qualifier. 17's qualifier is a DN. 17A's qualifier is a blank. You should check here. Okay. 17A ID. This big box is known as a 17A's ID. Okay. Now it's a blank. 17B, they won't ask NPA. NPA is a constant, okay? You should not change anything in that NPA. That's a constant. Okay? They will be asking 17B NPA ID. This 134645010 is a NPA ID, okay? Have you understood? Have you understood, guys?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Then 18, from date and to date. You know to write a date, okay? You know to write a date, no? How you will be writing a date?
Without any special case.
Yes, correct. 19, additional claim information. If anything is given, you can write, okay? Or else you don't want to. 20, outside lab, yes or no. In which X is given, you can write. 21, they will be giving IC, they will be asking ICD indicator. If they ask ICD indicator, you can check ICD. IND is known as ICD indicator. This is the value of that 0. You should type 0 in that, okay? And then 21, diagnosis or nature of illness. A, if they ask diagnosis or nature of illness A, what you will be giving? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me if they ask diagnosis or illness of nature A?
M25511.
A, correct. Very good. Okay. If they ask diagnosis or nature of illness G means
Blank.
can anyone tell me if they ask diagnosis or nature of illness G, what you will be giving? If you say
Blank.
answer only, I know whether you understand or not. Only two persons are saying. One is Keetana and one is who's that? Kumazar Rathod. I didn't see. Can anyone tell me? Others answer. If they ask diagnosis or nature of illness G, what you will be giving? What is the answer?
Blank.
Guys, can you hear me or not?
Blank.
Yes, blank. Okay, can we move to 22nd question? Resubmission. If they given any code, you can give or else no need. 23 prior authorization number. Is any number is given, give. There is a blank, you should leave as a blank. 24 to 24th question, there will be A to J columns and 1 to 6 rows, okay? 1 to 6 rows. For 24A, from date line 1, they will be asking what you will be giving. For 24A, from date line 1, if they ask what you will be giving.
7, 26, 23.
Yes, very good. 24, 2 days. Ask what you have to give. For B, also place of service you have to give. In which field, which line they are asking, you can give. For 24D, they will be asking HCPCS. HCPCS is a 5-digit number, okay? HCPCS is a 5-digit characters, okay? Numbers.
Okay.
Okay. If they ask modifier is a 2-digit characters. Both it will be combined together characters and numbers. Okay. This is modifier 1. In line 1, this is modifier 1. This is modifier 2. This is modifier 3. This is modifier 4. If there is a first 2-digit, you should consider as a modifier 1. Second 2-digit, you should consider as a modifier 2. And third digit, you should consider as a modifier. இங்கே உட்கார் அவன் விளையாண்டு போறான் நீ வந்துரு அவன் பாட்டுக்கு விளையாடுவான் நீ டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணாத சேர்ல உட்காந்துருக்காங்க 24 E diagnosis pointer if they ask you should give what in which line they are asking 24F charges you note carefully if there is dot given you should give 158.00 if space is given you should give 158 space 00 if no space is given you should write 15,800 here space is given so you should write 158 dot space 00 okay.
Yeah, okay.
Days or units, what are given? 24 ID qualifier in line 1, they ask means it's a Z. And then J provider I. 24J, if provider ID is given, they ask, you should write the first one. If they ask NPI ID, you should write straight to NPI ID, okay?
Yeah, okay.
தம்பி Then we can move to next question. 25th and 33rd, 31st question they will be asking. 25th and 31st question they will be asking together, okay? In 25th question they will be asking federal tax ID. What is the value given in federal tax ID? You should be typing, okay? In 31st, see here, they are asking provider's full name. Here is blank and you check in 31st, you see that is given as CTW home health insurance. What you will be doing? Can anyone say me? Can anyone say me what you will be giving? Guys, in question that is blank. In bill there is the answer is given. What you will be doing in that?
We have to type the answer, ma'am. CTW home.
TTW home health insurance. But here 30 what you're saying is correct. But 31st and 33rd there is a rule. For 31st question and 33rd question there is a rule, okay? What means provider's full name should be a human being name. This is a human being name. CTW home health insurance is a human being name.
No.
Guys, my screen is showing or not? Whether it's view. கையெடு மொத நீ அங்கிட்டு நீ அமைதியா இருந்தாதான் திறப்பேன் அமைதியா இரு
Not visible. Screen.
We don't see anything, man.
CTW home health insurance is a provide or human being's name. For 31st and 33rd, there is a rule. Provider's full name should be a human being's name. The CTW is a human being's name. Whether it's a human being name. No, it's an organization name. If they ask if this is given in if they ask organization name, you should type CTW home health insurance, okay? Okay. Clerk, Shan, C, MD, you will be giving in provider's full name? Guys, tell me, Clark, Shani, C, MD is a human being's name or organization's name?
Human being name.
Human
Yes,
being.
it's a human name. Correct. Okay. Then 25th question, 26, 27, 32. If patient's account number, if account number is given, you have to give access assessment. Yes or no, you should type where access given. And then 32, if they ask name of the service facility, what you will be giving? If they ask service facility name, MG Gaj. Service facility address 220E Overton RD APT 606. Service facility city, you should type Dallas. Service facility state, you should give TX. Service facility zip code, you should give 75216. For the service facility zip extension, you give last 4 digit. And 32A, if they ask PIN number, you should give A. A, what is given in A. If they ask B, you should give what is given in B. Okay? For 29, total charge, if here that is given. இது வந்துருச்சு பாரு. Okay? Guys, name of the billing provider. Can you tell me what is the name?
Organization name is there.
What? I can't get you. Can you be louder?
Or organization name is there.
Yes, yes. Very good. This is organization name. If they ask billing providers name, you should leave it as bank. If they ask the organization name, you should give. Okay. Billing provider city, which is city? Billings provider city, which is that?
San Antonio.
Yes, San Antonio. Second line is address. This is phone number. If they ask 33A ID, you should give here. If they ask 33B ID, you should give this, okay? Which is given in the B. Now the karra. Okay, you guys understand?
Yes, okay.
Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. If 30, which form contains 33 fields? Which form contains 33 fields?
Health insurance plan.
Yes, very good. Health insurance claim form. Okay. Now 33 fields got over. Okay. Can we move to UB form? This is known as UB form. Okay. It contains 81 fields. Exact what we have seen in UB form is same you should do here also. If they ask name, you should give first line, second line address, Cambridge is a state, city, zip code, zip extension. Everything is same, okay? We have to see 42 to 49. Okay, if they ask 42 to 49, that will be 1 to 22 rows. 1 to 22 rows, okay? If they ask 42 reverse CD line 1, what you will be giving?
0510.
Yes. 43 description line 2, if they ask what you will be giving? Yeah,
Treatment RM.
Yes, treatment RM. 43, 44, HCPCS line 1.
Nine 21325.
No. HCPC contains how many numbers? HCPC is a 5-digit number. 25 is a modified one of line 1. Okay.
Yes.
Then this is the service date, service unit. This is the total charges you have to give. Okay, we can see what is the next question we have to see is 66 and 67. See, 66 if they ask DX, the small box contains what is the number if there is you have to give. Okay, 67, there is 67, 67A to 67Q. Okay? Hey, kudutru. வேற வேலை எடு நீ 67 ல இருந்து 67A ல இருந்து Q up to 67Q there is 67 there is up to Q column. Okay, 67 this you know you are seeing this big box and small box here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this big box is known as principal diagnosis. This small box is known as POA diagnosis. This big box is known as principal diagnosis. This small box is known as POA diagnosis. Okay, if they ask 67 principal diagnosis, what is the number given in this big is known as principal diagnosis. 67, the small box is known as POA diagnosis. Okay, understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait for 2 minutes. I will be back. Okay, if I will show you example. Okay, 67 dx, you can see here 0. If they ask 67 POA principal diagnosis, what you will be giving? Can anyone tell me? 67 POA principal if they ask principal diagnosis, what is the value will be giving? கொஞ்சம் குடிச்சுக்கோ. இப்படி திரும்பி ஊத்துங்க, இப்படி திரும்பி ஊத்துங்க. ஓ, மண்டை இடிச்சிருக்கு. Guys, if whether it's right or wrong, you can tell. I will correct it. Okay.
Blank.
No, because I said this is the 67th one. Okay. If they ask principal diagnosis, you should give E11621. If they ask POA diagnosis, there is no number here, so you should leave us a blank. Note it. Big box is known as POA principal diagnosis. The small box is known as principal diagnosis. Okay.
Okay.
Are you clear, guys?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Up to 60. No, I can't get.
First one principal diagnosis. Second one.
Yes. POA diagnosis. This big box is known as principal diagnosis. This small box is known as POA diagnosis. Okay.
Yes.
Then others are same amount, DX, date, qualifier, NPII. Okay. Then 81, there will be A to D and there will be 2 columns. Okay. If they ask 81A modifier, what you will be giving? If they ask 81A modifier, what is the answer? B3 is a modifier, okay? 81A taxonomy code 1 means first column. Taxonomy code means second column. 81B modifier is blank. Taxonomy code 1 blank. Taxonomy code 2 blank. 81C, this is blank, okay? You guys understand what you're saying? What I'm saying? What question is what question they are asking? You have to see straight to this, okay? சாப்பிட்டு போடு இட்லி. ஓ இருக்குமோ குருமா. Are you guys understand? Is there any doubt in this? You be You guys understand UB form? What is UB form? It's both same health insurance and health insurance claim form and UB form is same. Extra 3 fields I told you, okay? Can we see rejection forms? This graphical forms is a rejection forms. What is the key you will be using for rejection? What is the key you will be using for rejection?
Control Shift plus Enter.
Yes. If this graphical forms, you should give rejection. If there is a paragraph forms, you should give rejection. And this is known as a voucher form. You should give alt enter. Ma'am, how to identify voucher form means you can see here. Allowed, billed amount, deducted amount, coins, reason, code, if they paid amount, if this comes like this is called a voucher form. You should give alt enter, okay? Graphical forms and if they are giving, see here, if they are giving you health insurance claim form and see first question we do, this question is different from this form, you should give alt enter, okay? If we have our form and question is different from this form, you should give alt enter, okay?
All tender accept.
Alt enter. For this,
Accept.
yes. Okay. Shall I watch live now? You have to give teletype login and you should click on first link and username and password will be given to you. You should give continue and click here and you can see Zoom. You should give 50 or 67 only. Okay. For one questions there will be a 60 seconds. Okay. 69 admit DX. You should check whether 69 is there anything given. No, 69 is a blank. 70 is given. Patient reason DXT6610. It's correct. 7B is blank. 7C is blank. ECI number, ECI code. 72A ECI code. Yes, is there. This is 72. This is not A. This is A. This is B. There is not given. Yes, correct. You should give enter. You have to check the timings or else it will be it won't it 24 from date line 4. You have to check whether the line 4 is entirely blank or some of the answers are given. Yes, it's entirely blank. Okay, you have to scroll. Yes, you have to check. Every white question is given in white. Yes, it's given. So you have to give alt plus enter and you should accept. Okay. 5 patients address. You have to see 5 patients address. 4563. See here, they are giving wrong. That's 4563 Cali. See, the spelling is also wrong. Cali Norty. Yes, and then you should give enter. Then only it will be changed. City is CA. No, sorry. City is Newberry. City is Newberry Park. They are given as a special park. So you have to change. Newberry Park. Newberry Park. You have to give enter. Patient state CA is correct. Zip code 91320. See, zip code is wrong. 91320. You have to give enter. Then patient's phone number is not given. You have checked everything. We should give alt enter. You guys understand how I'm working?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt? Then 24A date 4. From date, yes, correct. 04 they are giving 01. So you should change 04 01 2025. You should give enter. 24 modifier, no 4 modifier is also blank. Charges line 4 5,000. Days or units 1. Qualifier nothing is given. Then you have to check. Is everything is blank? We have checked everything and you should give alt enter. Okay. 33 prior authorization number 45 DO 880844 is correct, and you should scroll. No, only one question is given, so you can give accept and you can move to next form. 31, provider's full name. Hardina's NPS, it's correct. Venisa, and you have to scroll. Yes, everything is given. 9 others, insured full name, it's blank. 4, everything is blank. You scroll, everything here also it's a blank. Only one question is in white. You can skip. 24C, emergency line 1, nothing is given. Modifier 4 is also blank. Diagnosis pointer, BA is given. Charges 208.00. EPSTD is a blank, and you can scroll. Everything is blank. You can give alt enter. And then you should work. You can see here history. How many hours you are working. You have worked till now. You can see here. Okay, in history. If you have, again you have to work. You have to move means here you can work. Okay. Description line 10. Line 10.
Madam,
1 minute. Yes, tell me.
enter, what is the difference between enter and alt enter? First
Enter?
part, method,
Yes, see here.
after
See here, description line 10. Here, see description line 10 is DX X-ray, comma chest. Okay, if here it's given correctly. If chest there is T is not given, you have to give enter. Then only it will be changed. Okay. Alt enter means we are moving to next form. For enter means we are checking line by line. Okay. 50 payer name. No, this is not our form. So you have to reject. Control plus shift plus enter. Sorry. Control plus shift plus enter. This is not our form. So I am rejecting. See, provider's full name, Lisa Johns Baker. Yes, correct. This is one question. Okay.
if all blank, can to move next form with the alt
You have
enter.
to check one by one. See here, this is only one white question. 24C emergency line 1. In emergency, nothing is given. Blank. Then scroll, which is a question modifier. Modifier is also blank. Charges 270 space 00. They have given dot. So we have to change here. Change and you have to give enter. If we give enter only, it will be changing. Okay. If you not give enter, it won't be provider ID line 1. Nothing is given. Now, can you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Is okay. Now you know to work. Now, is there any doubt? If there is any doubt, you can say me, or else the training is over now. If there is any doubt, while working, you will be getting doubt. Now it will be little bit okay. When you're working, you will be having doubts. You can ask me. Okay, take a screenshot and keep. If there is any, if while working this question you have any doubt means you can give just enter. Okay, you take a screenshot of that or else photo of that and you can send to me or send to your HR. He will be telling you. Okay, first time there will be excuse. For second time you should not repeat that enter. You should ask your HR. Okay, or trainer what we have to give. Okay, is there any doubt, guys, or we can wind up? And then one thing, you should not log in for 10 minutes, 20 minutes and all. You should, for one login, you should surely log in for 1 hour. Okay, if you do this, if you log in for 10 minutes and you're shutting down means, if you're logging out means it will be come in error, quality error. Quality should be above 98. If you asked for what you asked what is the difference between accept and alt enter. No, accept is there is a threshold. Okay, what is mean by threshold means accept percentage should be within update. We are updating now. In one field we have seen 207.00, but the answer is 207 space 00. Wow. That's known as updation. Okay, in the for updation there should be only 13 percentage. For update, you should do only 13 percentage. For rejection, you should be reject files only within 3 percentage. For accept, there should be within 19%, 95 percentage. Okay. You should not meet that threshold. Okay, you should not accept, you should not give alt enter accept for 100 percentage. Okay, if your report comes that threshold meet up, there will be a quality error, you won't get that day pay. For every question you will be giving alt enter means, for next form you can give alt enter. You have to check whether this is correct or not. This is correct or not, and you can give alt enter. For namesake, you should not work. You should check and update, and you have to check whether which is the rejection forms, and in rejection forms you should reject. Okay, others you should not do anything. You should check whether updation is given or rejection files are coming or accept files are coming. You should check and you should give alt enter. Okay, you can understand what I'm saying? Is there any doubt?
There is no update field or rejection field. We can do alt enter. Yes.
Yes. There is no updation. If there is no rejection means you can give alt enter. Okay.
That will be counted. Alt enter.
Yes. I'm telling. Now you see no how I'm working. How I have worked. You have seen no. Have you seen now how I worked or not? You have to check each and every questions, white color questions. Okay.
White color questions.
Yes, you should work only for white color questions. Have you attended training from starting?
Starting
Yes,
10 minutes.
No, I can't get.
Starting 10
white
minutes.
color
yesterday.
question.
Yes, you can ask doubt. You should work only for white color questions. You should not work for gray color questions.
Can show white color question and gray color question.
No, I can't get you.
Can you show white color question and gray color?
நம்ம வந்து ஒயிட் கலர் கொஸ்டின்ங்கிறது மார்க்கபிள் கொஸ்டின். அந்த கொஸ்டின் வந்து அவைலபிள் கொஸ்டின். அந்த கொஸ்டின் மட்டும் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். கிரே கலர் கொஸ்டின்ங்கிறது அன்மார்க்கபிள் கொஸ்டின்ஸ். அது அவங்களுக்கு இன்னும் புரியல.
ஆமா. 1 minute sir. இங்க வா.
குமரேஸ்வரி, okay. Team, actually what is white color and what is gray color question is that if you are opening the form, you are in the right side bottom below, that white color question is a markable questions. You have to answer that questions only. If that gray color question, you cannot be markable because it is being a blank. Okay, it is being a blank. This question is not be about the answers. If the form is getting blank or some date of birth or signatures or in the organization name or full name, it is everything being blank. In the questions also they don't need to be answered, so it is being gray colored. So you don't need to answer that questions. You have to answer what is it appear in a white color. Okay, now clear?
Highlighted in white.
Yes, not been highlighted. It is not been highlighted. If you open the dashboard, left side is a form and right side is the top corner is a time or time is running, and then below is the zooming area, and then after below that is a question is in downside. So that question is there is a two color is there. One white color, pure white color, and another one is completely blank gray color. So if you cannot select the gray color, If you answer that, the white color question will be appear in the bottom of the above of the questions. Okay, now you clear. Now you have to answer that white color question.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay, okay. It is easy, no problem. You just listen the training completely, and we have to be giving the direct of live training. First, you have to be analyze the training completely. After that, only you have to ask the questions. Okay.
Others understood? Others?
Okay.
Kirtana,
Anyone is
Kumar.
understand?
Yes,
Anything
ma'am. We
extra details you
understand.
needed?
Is there any doubt? You can ask me, or else we can wind up the picture.
Training
No
finished,
doubt.
Satya?
Finished, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, training finished. Kumareshwari, training is finished. You have to be consult with your team and ask, giving the name to us. We will provide the ID for you. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, thank you, team. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.